Hi, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we've got something very special. As you can see, it is a 2015 Volkswagen Golf R Wolfsburg Edition. So it does look absolutely incredible and it sounds just as good as it looks. Starting from the front, I'm going to walk you around, show you the condition, some of the actual features of the vehicle itself. As you can see in that beautiful color there, it does present absolutely incredible. We may have a couple of stone chips on this front, but we have actually gone through the effort of touching it up for you. It's pretty standard on any 2015 model vehicle. Just in here we have also got the color matched front parking sensors, as well as headlight washers just there as well, and these sleek sharp headlights there on top of looking absolutely incredible. They do also have DRLs that run through them, and those projector beams are going to give you a very clear beam of light as well. Having a look down here now, we do get those aftermarket the raised wheels. They look absolutely stunning. They are the big 19 inches and they just fill those arches so well. We have also got the Volkswagen center caps in there as well. Now even the tires on this vehicle, very, very expensive high-end tires. They are the Yokohama semi-slicks, and as you can see, they look absolutely stunning and fitted really well to those wheels as well. Having a look down this side of the vehicle now, we do get those black side mirrors being the Wolfsburg Edition, and you have also got that Golf R badge in right in the middle there. Now the indicator is built into the side mirror just to clean up the whole side of the vehicle as well. Keyless entry, so pressing that button there does lock the vehicle, and just putting your hand in the handle does actually unlock it. Having a look inside, for a 2015 model, the leather presents in incredible condition, so really good condition on those bolsters, and the seats themselves really well designed to hug you and keep you in your seat, something you'd really find very important in a vehicle with this much potential. Just down here you can see that the door has not been kicked open by the previous owner, so real credit to them for how well they have looked after the vehicle. The windows are tinted, so that's going to save you a little bit of money, and you have got the slimline weather shields up here as well if you wanted to put the window down. Just down here as well, as you can see, we have got the fuel filler cap on this side, so it is just pushed to open, but when the car's locked you won't be actually able to open that. That next wheel there, once again, really good condition, can't actually fault it even if I try to, and still plenty of tread left in those tires as well. Along the back here, as you can see, we've got those quad tailpipes down the bottom. They look absolutely stunning underneath that black splitter there as well. We've got the color matched back parking sensors and those really dark tail lights there, top of looking really nice. Once again, it does have the elegant DRLs that run through them as well. Opening that up, you can see for a Golf it does have a fair bit of boot space in here. Now there is a 12-volt socket just up there in the boot as well, and if we open this up, you can see you've got your space saver spare in there as well as all your tools. Just here we have also got the parcel shelf. Closing this back up, really nice and easy to use. Having a look at that next wheel there, once again phenomenal condition, can't actually fault that wheel at all. So 3 really good condition wheels so far, and the paintwork all the way along it. Even if I am being super picky, I can't actually fault the paintwork, and it does have a very nice pearlescent look to it as well, so very well presented car. Now this final wheel, the one that you often find the most amount of scratches on most vehicles, is also in incredible condition, can't fault that one. Oh, hold on, one very, very minor mark there, but nothing really too concerning. What we do now is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Alright, taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Now the engine has been upgraded, meaning you've got an ECU Remap and a TCU Remap. With the modifications, you do get 288 kilowatts of power with 554 newton meters of torque. Now that is a phenomenal improvement over the factory, 206 kilowatts and 380 newton meters. What we're going to do now is have a look on the inside and some of the features on the inside of the car. Taking a look inside the Volkswagen Golf R now, just on the driver's side door here, you do get all your power window settings, so they are all automatic. On the door here next to the handle, you do get your central locking button and the toggle for your power mirrors. Now if you turn that to the bottom, it does actually have a demister for the mirrors, so really good in winter. On the right hand of the steering wheel, you have got your headlights, so being automatic, just leave it in auto and the car will decide for itself. On the right hand stalk here, you have got your washer and wiper settings, and on the left hand side you have got your indicator as well as high beams, and a button on the end that lets you change a few of your driver assist systems. Now the steering wheel itself, very nice design with the leather wrapping and that 3-spoke look. On the right hand side you have got menu control settings, so you can actually switch through what you see in the digital display in front of you, and then you can actually scroll through various settings in each menu. You have also got voice control and hands-free call settings on that side. And on the left-hand side here, you've got your volume control, your adaptive cruise control settings, as well as the rest of your cruise control settings. Behind the steering wheel, you have actually got paddle shifters. So if you wanted to switch through gears manually, you can actually do that from there. Now the steering wheel itself is actually telescopic, so when you want to change your angle, you can change your angle and as well as the depth of the steering wheel. Having a look in the center display here, you do get satellite navigation, and when you put it in reverse, you've got a really wide angle rear view camera there with all your parking sensor options as well. Now the good thing is you can actually hide those parking sensors if you just wanted the full view of the camera. In terms of your media, you have got AM and FM radio as well as digital radio. Then you've also got your Bluetooth, USB and AUX inputs as well. Just down here you have got dual zone climate control, so the passenger can actually have a different temperature to the driver. And just under here, behind the 4MOTION cover, there's a little bit of storage if you wanted to keep your phone in there while it's plugged into the USB or AUX port. Now the engine ignition button is just here next to the shifter, so just foot on the brake and press that button to start it. When you press mode here, you can actually switch through various driving settings, so eco, comfort, normal, race, or even your individual, which will let you actually change various individual settings for how the car drives, such as suspension and a lot of other things. You have got auto off as well, so when you pull up at a traffic light, if that is turned on, the car will actually turn off to save you a bit of fuel. You've got traction control settings and parking assist button as well. Now when you put the car into drive, if you bump it to the left, you can actually shift through the gears manually just here as well, or you can use the shifters on the steering wheel. Now behind the shifter, you've got a electric park brake, auto hold, a little bit of storage if you wanted to keep your key while you're driving, a 12-volt socket and 2 covered cup holders, so they have got the grommets in here as well in case you've got a different size cup. Now leather wrapped center console, which when you open it up, you have got a little bit of storage in there as well. Back here you have got rear air conditioning controls as well. If we pan around the interior, you can see it has been looked after really well by the previous owners, so credit to how well they have actually maintained the interior condition of this vehicle. And if we have a look at the roof, you have also got that factory panoramic sunroof, so really easy to use. Just hold that down, and if you wanted to shade, you can actually pull that closed as well. So really good features in this vehicle. Alright, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful Volkswagen Golf R. Now it is in incredible condition, so please do your part and protect your paintwork. Ask us about the glass coat, because that's going to give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. It will also prevent a range of environmental damage such as fading, oxidization, bird droppings, bat droppings, and a lot more. The other thing is the mechanical protection plan. So it will give you an extra 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle, and it'll also give you 10 years of platinum roadside assist. There's a lot more included in that plan, so once again, ask us about it and we'll walk you through it. Now if you're using our in-house finance, Mario and Julia are excellent at what they do. They would love to discuss your finance options with you, and they will tailor a package for your needs, which will only adjust the repayments by a very small amount each week. The other thing is, please have a look at our Google reviews. Have a read through what people have to say about us, because you will find that we are a great dealership to buy from. We make the process easy, and we like to ensure that you are getting into a good quality vehicle from the right people. Now the number to call is 9907 0555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.